So most of my videos on my YouTube channel deal with marketing and philosophical ethics, completely useless topics. So from time to time I try to make these videos where I show people that even those of us who are philosophers can do something useful. So my Dodge Ram 3500, it's a 2015 model. The air conditioner is not blowing cold, so I'm going to show you how to recharge the air conditioning system if that is the problem that you experience when your air conditioner comes on. If you have a fan blowing and it's not blowing cold, or it blows cold and then hot, sometimes it's usually a recharge problem. So we're going to start by turning the car on. So you come in and turn the vehicle on. Make sure the glow plug light goes off. Turn the air conditioning unit on and make sure that the recirculation is on and the fan is on. Release the hood. And on this vehicle, the charging port is back here on the passenger side towards the back. With a gauge and hose at Walmart for $41. So I'm going to put this on here, push down, and you can see that it's not charged. So we're going to pull the trigger for about 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And we can see that we're up. Turn 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're still low. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Getting close. Closer. Almost in the green. Take that off, replace the cap, and we're going to check and see if it's blowing cold. And when I started the car and I come out and started it earlier this morning and tested it, it was hot and it's blowing fairly cool. I hope this has been helpful. It's one of those things where if you want to know how to do something, get on YouTube and figure it out. Thanks for watching.